Alright, back again. So we will resume from previous tutorial where we just needed to pass a reference. So if we go to the script of scroll view, this was our script of scroll view. Here in the parent 3D character UI, we need to pass the parent of the 3D game objects, which is the parent character 3D. So we will simply drag and drop this to this position, and that is drag and drop this to this position. Sorry, not this one. This child parent character 3D with the name. This you will drag and drop to here, and here it will. It as explained earlier, it will simply turn the remaining game objects off, and only the selected will be shown. And now, if I press play, and this is how it will be. So as you can see, it will only turn the respective 3D model on, and rest will be off. So second thing we will do is to check from the player preferences that so this is our player preferences. So if this level is cleared, that is if the level cleared is 2, then this let's play would be accessible. Otherwise it will show up unlocked, or otherwise it will show up the text will show like to change to locked. So simply you head over to levels, back to scroll view script, and once you edit this, you need to pass a reference of a button text. Public game object, or instead of changing text instead of changing text and doing things with the code, we can simply make another game object. So if we go to here and inside this button aqua, we will duplicate it like this and rename button aqua to let's play, and rename this to locked, and this locked will be off, and this will not this will be interaction will be off there, and we will change the color here if we can to something like this. Turn this off and turn this on, for example, and change the color to so what can be suitable color? This seems fine, I think. It will show locked, and the text would be like this. Locked, and then there will be additional text here. It also clear previous level first, and since this is a this was a child object of locked and it was bounded by its parent. We simply needed to uh, set the values here again, and then we can move it like this. And I don't know if this is the best position for the text. So we can simply add like this and put it here. Set to auto fit, auto size. And something like this. So this message is bit kind of pushy, so we will change it to this level requires this level requires to be cleared, to be passed. So this is something that is not in an ordersome tone if it is a word. So if we can push it here and push it a bit here, and I guess this is fine, I guess. So we will put it to level locked text, and if possible we can, I can make it a, yeah, so locked is a button which shouldn't be a button, but well, so what we'll do is go to level detail panel again and inside scroll view we will toggle this button on and off with the let's play button. So if you can reference the both public game object let's play button, and then we had and then next one would be locked button. So simply toggle them on and off, and this will go here. So if the level is check for level on, true here, let's play button set active true, and other one as false. if PlayerPref dot get int and the system was this one, so simply whatever the level is cleared is equal to this I or this number, sorry, so this number, then it will otherwise simply it will do the opposite. That is the level hasn't cleared yet. So now if you can play, so by default the level gets locked is on. We will turn this off. Let's play will be on, and now if we can play and let's change this. So let's play one was on, and now if we turn the player preference editor on, put this to here, and so let's play button. Oh, so we didn't give the references, that is why. So if we can give the references here in the scroll view, this is the locked button and this is the let's play button, and now if we can play, so levels cleared wasn't found to be with this one, so it showed up locked, and for the first one it was available. So this is how it is. All this is populated at the runtime. And second thing you will do to check if it's working fine is add a key. So this is the level cleared, and put the value to 1, and now if we go here, let's play should be visible, which it wasn't because we gave the string value. So now we'll put again, give the value int here, and now select 1, and now it's visible, let's play. And if we go back here 1 and inside 1, so why this is locked is simply because it checks for the current value, which is 1, and for the rest it simply sets it to set as a lock. So we will do less than is equal to number. So if we play again, now both should show as available. And another thing that you notice is that this text doesn't change. And 1 is short, 2 isn't shown. So levels cleared is equal to number. That was fine. Let's save it again. So 1 is less than is equal to, sorry, it will be opposite. So this will be the right way, I think. So this is how it is. Both are showing, let's play is showing fine. And when I will delete this and go back here and go to here, this will be locked, and go back here, all fine. And now if I can put the value here again, which is levels cleared, copy this here, paste it to 1, add it, and now it should show unlocked, that is let's play. So this is it. And also we see that by default the value is showing up wrong here, which isn't what we want. So to address this, what we can do is head back to this start method here, and there we will look for why this level selection text description isn't being given, isn't being fed the right value. So what is going on here is that this is the, so if levels cleared is equal to 0 and I minus 1 is equal to levels cleared. Okay, so we can simply comment this here and copy this value here, and then if level clears then so levels cleared is equal to 0, which is not the case. Our levels cleared were less than the is less than the, sorry, I mean we can simply get this value, or that is this case, and compare to our number. So we will simply comment this here and put it some, oops, I mean copy this value here, and instead of this number it would be I minus 1. Then it will do this. So now if we check it, if it's fine, it should show. So this is how it shows, and this is it. So level 2 shows up by default, and which might be an issue or might not be an issue depending on how you want to go about your game. If you want your game so that it starts from the first level, or if you want the recent level to show up here, then this approach isn't bad. But with this approach you guys have to do this as well, this thing here. So simply copy this here. Also another thing you can do is for the replicated for the things that are replicating, you can